Princeton, New Jersey. Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm exploring New Jersey, starting with the peaceful BAPS, Swaminarayan Akshardham, and ending at the iconic Princeton University. I will also be sharing with you the places where we stayed and also the food that we were able to try. So come on guys, let's go!
Hi, Chim! We are now in BAPS Swaminarayan Akshardham in New Jersey. This is a place that reflects peace, devotion, and timeless Indian architecture. From intricate stone carvings to the calm spiritual atmosphere, BAPS offers a unique blend of culture, history, and faith. From the moment we arrive at BAPS, the noise of the outside world fades and it was replaced by a calm devotion and a quiet sense of wonder. We were given Indian incense sticks, also known as agarbatti. It is a staple in Indian culture for prayer, meditation, and air freshening. Here I am following what my Tita Rose told us to do, to pay respects also and to make a wish. The huge statue that we see in the clip is a 49-foot-tall bronze image of Nilkanth Varni, the teenage form of Bhagwan Swaminarayan, commemorating his 49 years here on Earth. Spanning 185 acres and standing 191 feet tall, Akshardham is a magnificent Hindu house of worship carved into stone according to ancient Hindu scriptures. It is the second largest Hindu Mandir in the world and one of the most unique Hindu stone mandirs built in the last 600 years. Each of the handmade carvings tells a unique story, and it's really breathtaking and makes you appreciate their culture and the place more. Inside the temple, there is a traditional Hindu mandir and it's very beautiful. It's all white, different carvings, and it tells a story. Unfortunately, we're not able to record because it's not allowed. So for now, let's enjoy the outside view of BAPS. Every angle is breathtaking, it's worth picturing, it's very beautiful, and I suggest when you go to New Jersey, you visit BAPS. This trip cost around 5,213 pesos for the ticket, and if you really want to explore BAPS and you have extra budget, I suggest you visit this place because it's very huge and really take up your day. I will also put the link down below so you can check it out.
Pasok lang ako
Sige.
Pasok lang sa school. Kasi may class ako ngayon.
We are now entering Princeton University.
It is a private Ivy League research university in Princeton, New Jersey. Princeton University was established in 1746. It features residential college system, eating clubs, and successful athletics, which is also known as the Tigers, with recent news highlighting athletic achievements and library developments. Now arrived at the Princeton University Art Museum. It is a leading university museum with over 117,000 objects, featuring diverse collections from ancient to contemporary art. It focuses on the Mediterranean, Europe, China, US, and Latin America, supporting university teaching and research while welcoming the public with free admission. This is a must visit when you visit New Jersey, especially because first, it's free, and then second, you can actually appreciate all the artifacts that was stored here for thousands of years. This is bagel with salmon, cream cheese, capers, onions, and tomatoes, potatoes, egg, and bacon. And that ends my chill New Jersey vlog. Thank you very much guys for watching, and I hope you learned something from my vlog and an idea whether you stop by or just really visiting New Jersey. So if you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and see you on my next vlog. Bye guys!